Okay, my people, let us open to the book of Exodus chapter 4 of this month, and in verse 5, which is the month that we are now down to 2020. As I read, the book say there is an opening of the border now. The Onitsha Asaba border don't open as the people they walk out front and back. We can make me remember that Bob Marley song we sing, Exodus, movement of the people. Hey, my people, the people now in Onitsha Asaba, they are moving towards the bridge as the border don't open there. But waiting, they shock me as I touch light on this news. We say, are they moving from the land of slavery to the land of milk and honey? Or did they move from the land of milk and honey to the land of slavery? But as some people do the calculation and the math, they say for Anambra Onitsha, they say they don't match break for the lockdown, so movement did that side. But for Asaba, we there for Delta State, the lockdown, tie wrapper, wear suits, come wear necktie, journal. So I don't know where they move to go now, whether not the movement of the land of milk and honey to the land of slavery, or from the land of slavery to the land of milk and honey, my people. But right now, as I touch light and as I talk to una, so the movement they go on as the border don't open for Asaba Onitsha Bridge. My people, this now Pidgin News Network, and a man on the street with this.